So today we're looking at angles on a straight line and around a point. Now these are the two most important facts for today. That angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees and angles around the point add up to 360 degrees. When we know this information, we can answer questions that look like this. What is x in this question here? Well, if we know that all the angles on this line add up to 180 and we're given 121, we take our 180 degrees, we minus what we've already got, which is 121, which leaves us with 59, which means x, our missing angle, has to be 59 degrees. Now with the second question, we have two angles that we're given and a third that we're looking for. But if we add together these two angles and get 95, well, we know that we've got 95 degrees here, so x has to be what's left over if we take 95 away from 180, which is 85 degrees. So x has to be 85. Now here we've got this little square here. That simply means 90 degrees. It's how we represent a right angle. So in this scenario we have 90 degrees and 41 degrees, so we have 131 degrees altogether. We know there should be 180 altogether on that line. We're given 131, which means we have a leftover 49, which means x must be 49 degrees. And same with angles around the point. We know there's 360 degrees around this point in total. We've already got 307 of them, so whatever's left must be what x is. And again, we've got two angles here. So if we add them together to find out exactly how much we have, so we have 216. We know we should have 360 around the point. So let's take away the 216 we've already got, which leaves us with 144. So x must be 144. Again, we're given a right angle here, so we've got 106. Add our right angle, which is 196. We should have 360 all around this point. So let's take away 196 away from 360, and that leaves us with 164, meaning our missing angle is 164. In this scenario, we're missing two angles. However, both angles are represented with the letter x, which means these angles are equal. So if we know we should have 180 degrees because it's a straight line, we've already got 72, which means there's 108 degrees. So we have two equal angles that are x. So two x's have to equal 108. Well, if we split these equally, we get x equals 54. Okay, we divided it by 2 because we had two equal angles to share the amount between. Now this is when it gets ever so slightly confusing when we start introducing algebra into it. However, if we use logic, okay, we can still solve this. We should have 180 degrees. Okay, we've currently got 31 and 86, so we're going to take those two away, which leaves us with 58. Okay, so this angle here will equal 58. However, it's currently x plus 20. Well, we know x plus 20, we know that angle has to equal 58. So what do we add 20 to get 58? Well, if we take 20 away, we'll find out. X equals 38. Now, when we have two lines meeting, two straight lines crossing at a point, what these create are vertically opposite angles. Now, vertically opposite angles just mean that the two angles directly opposite each other are equal if the two lines are straight. Well, these two lines are straight, so if this angle here is 58, we know y has to equal 58 because they're vertically opposite. So now how do we work out x and z? Well, there's two ways. We could think, well, this is an angle around the point. We know it should add up to 360. We've got 58 and 58 already, which is 116. So we could take away the 116 to get 244. Know that x and z are equal because they're vertically opposite. So we'd divide 244 by 2 to get 122. And then we know that x and z would be 122. Or we could have looked at it like this and looked at this as a straight line. Now we've got 58 here, and then work out how much we've got here. So we could have done 180 minus 58, which would also have given us 122. It doesn't matter which way around you do it, Okay, but I just wanted to show you that you could use angles around the point rule or angles on the straight line rule. So now your try. Please do click the link in the description to take you to the question paper, and then there will also be a link to the video answering all the questions as well. Good luck, and well done for taking your time to sit down and watch this video.